Hello. Please welcome Dina Umarao from Blue Sky Academy, Nail Art Academy.
Hello, everybody. Thank you very much for the lovely introduction. My name is Dina Umarova, and I'm a Blue Sky Ambassador Asia Pacific and founder of 5 Blue Sky Nail Academies all across India. And today I'm going to show you some fastest ways of extension and the trending art with the ombre cat eye. I will require one model from the. Yes, thank you. So, may I know how many of you are actual nail artists here? Can you raise your hand? I know you. Okay. Who else? Great. Rest are not nail artists, just nail enthusiasts who want to learn nails, right? Great. So this demo will be for you because what happened that people think, okay, the nail extension is something really difficult. You have to file a lot. You have to do so many things, and I need to study too much. Well, I have to make you happy right now. It's not anymore because nail industry develops so fast and so well that anybody can do it, even DIY at home. Of course, if you don't want to do, there are different type of extensions. It's not only acrylic extension. Only in Blue Sky, we have 6 type of extensions. It's builder in the bottle, comes with the brush. It's soft gel extensions, which is quite new product and can be done at home. And all across the world, people do it DIY at home as well because it's that easy. We do have polygel extensions, Lexan gel, which cures just 5 seconds. And we have builder gel, of course, builder gel extensions, which you can use instead of acrylic powders. So it's not about acrylic anymore. World moves to a faster type of extensions and easier for every woman who can do it. And this demo will be for you. Of this quarter, it's a new product, fast and easy builder gel. It's the best part about this product that it's heatless. If people have this heatless sensation while using gel and builder gel, BR products, they are heatless, and it's strong enough that you can use it also as an overlay on the natural nails as well as short extensions. You can use a short extension with extension tips as well. Today I will be showing you how to do it on the natural nail as an overlay using our beautiful new gel polish colors with the glitter and the milky white builder in the bottle on one nail. And on another nail, I will do a soft gel extensions, which will be done super fast, and you will be excited to try it yourself at home. And this new beautiful colors just launched in Hyderabad, our cat eye collection, the new cat eye ombre. Okay, just 2 nails. File buffer. Okay. Okay, so the client have a very nice length, nice, strong, long nails. It's a dream actually to work on such customer. You can use just normal base coat and gel polish, and it will like stay without any issue. It's a nice natural shape. I will not change it much. I will be just filing it a little. And not remove the length, because this is how we check if the nail, what product nail require. We actually, if the nail is this much long, the natural nail, we always touch if it's bending or not. And if it's bending, you have to use harder products like builder gel, polygels, and Lexan gel, which comes in the jars. And if it's strong, like in your case, and it's not moving, it's enough to use BIAP or just a base coat and gel polish application if you don't want to do overlay. And on this nail, I will file it short because I will be doing a soft gel extension. And when we are doing any type of extensions, we are making it short. Now, we take a file and we remove a shine from the nail. We remember that we do not over buff the nail. We don't remove entire layer because it makes it weak, but we remove the shine and gloss from the nail. And especially in the side walls, because from there chipping starts. What are we doing it for? We should know also why we are doing it. We are doing it because we want the product to penetrate into the nail bed better. That's why we are filing and removing the shine. And then if a customer have ridges on the natural nails, we are smoothing those ridges. So preparing it basically for the product. Pushing the cuticle a little bit out. The both ones. Cuticle is growing on top of the nail, so we have to make the space for it, and we are removing it. I'm doing the same process with the second nail, same nail prep. Just keep it, yeah. And I will not use the buffer here because buffer will smoothen it back. So buffer will be actually to be used on products when we are using products, extension products, and then we buff it before gel polish application. For extensions and gel, we do not need to use that. Now I'll use cleanser wipes, a Blue Sky cleanser wipes. It's pre-soaked dehydrator and cleanser 2-in-1. Clean from inside and the side walls. You can keep it inside back. It's a box of 200 cleanser wipes, so you can use it for 200 clients, basically. Yeah, and just pre-soak it and keep it this way until the end of the service, so you don't waste, it doesn't evaporate and dry. Primer. Okay, now in this soft gel kit, we have ready gels, which we will require, and that is strong adhesive gel, acid-free primer, pH bond, and top coat, which we'll use all the time. It comes with the mini lamp, LED lamp. We have another one here, so it's okay. It comes with 500 tips and file and buffer. Okay, so I will be using, I think you cannot see it from here. Yeah. So right now I will be using acid-free primer to use with our best-selling product, Builder in the Bottle. Dehydrating the nail. Base coat. Demo kit. And I will be using pH bond and primer for the nail. So basically what it happens, the pH bond, it dehydrates the nail. It's like if the client is wearing it for a very long time. Okay, now, how do we find the tips for soft gel? In soft gel extensions, the tips, half tip, if you can, where is the Okay. Half of it, it's very soft, which is touching the nail, and the rest is hard. That is your tip, actual tip. So when we are finding the right length, we are checking it under the cuticle and both sides if it's covering nail completely. So this size number 5, and I'll check one more smaller than that, because we will be pressing the tip on the nail, so it spreads like this, and it should cover point of growth. So I think I will go with this size for you. Okay, now we are taking strong adhesive gel. It's like a glue which is in the bottle, but it's safe. It's not that glue which we are using with the plastic tips. And I apply a thin layer of strong adhesive gel as if it would be a base coat on the nail where you're going to do extensions. Just pulling the skin down and applying very thin layer and curing it inside 30 seconds. Now my tip which I'm taking, I put the same strong adhesive gel onto the tip which is touching the nail. So I hold it from the free edge of the tip and I apply strong adhesive gel inside the tip. Now we make sure when we are placing the tip it's straight, so it will not be crooked, and we are putting it from the tip, leaving the little hairline, and then just pressing it hard. Curing it for 3-4 seconds, and then just cure it for 1 minute after it. Put inside. So it gets attached while you're holding it. That's why there is a open side lamp is there. So you actually hold it with the lamp and we cure it. We will do on this tip ombre effect cat eye, which is very popular right now. We can use these blues or these pinks. You want blues or pinks?
Anything is fine. Let's go pink.
Pink, okay. Tip cutter. So we can use this tip cutter, a same tip cutter for these tips. And here you go. The tip is ready. We just need to cut the length the client wants, and it should be like maybe similar to your length, right? So I will remove the length and file. It's very easy to file now. This tip, it's done. Your extension is done, and whatever shape you want, it comes in the coffin. Relax, relax. It comes in the coffin and almond shape. And then, of course, you can from coffin you can make a round, you can make a almond, whatever, or square, whichever you want. And now we will remove the shine from here, pulling the skin down and working on the cuticle area. And since it's already ready tape for you, you don't have to worry on the apex and file too much. It saves a lot of time. So these tips, extensions, it takes 1 hour with gel polish. Now here we are taking buffer and same movements, we are buffing the nail to smoothen the surface for application of the gel polish. Just smoothen it down. After this, before applying polish, we have to clean it again with the cleanser wipe. We do not leave the dust because this duster is also full of dust, right? So we don't want to keep it this way to avoid any type of chipping. And now it's ready for the gel application. It feels very light and easy when the tips with the soft gel. Okay, we go for pink cat eye, but before that I will put a black gel polish just on the tip for my ombre effect. So we apply it on just the tip, and with the ombre brush, blue sky ombre brush, I will just spread it a little bit, pressing harder at the edge so it goes to nothing. Always clean your ombre brush and spread. Okay, cure it for some time. Now we will cover it with cat eye. We use cat eye lila cluster. It's very beautiful shade. It's a flash reflective gel, which with the flashlight it gives a beautiful shine. And now I apply it on entire nail. And we will use our new magnet. The magic wand, and create your desirable cat eye effect. So for this ombre effect, I will be moving it a little bit further from the black to get this effect going. Put inside. 30 seconds. Perfect liner. Perfect liner. Silver. Sometimes this will be it depends on the cat eye. Some cat eye are very pigmented, so you don't need to apply second layer. If it's on top of extensions, that pink will be enough for it. So you apply just like that. Even here, you can see that it's moving and there is an ombre effect with the black underneath. If you want one more layer, the thin layer, we can apply and see how it gets covered. But this new collection of the cat eyes, flash reflective cat eye, they are very pigmented. And the same movements with the magnet. From both sides, and little from the tip to move it from the tip to get the ombre effect. Cure it, put it inside. We also have this beautiful fine liners. It comes in black, white, silver and gold. You can use it for nail art. It has a very nice long liner, the brush, and you can use it for art and for French, especially with white. This one is metallic silver. We can just make some a snowflake design. And for metallic silver, you need to keep just a few seconds for it to settle down and get the metallic effect, and then we put it inside the lamp. So we wait till it gets metallic, and now you can put 30 seconds. Top coat. Okay, so now we will put no wipe top coat. We have top coats also, the new launch with a nice shimmer. It's also no wipe top coat, and it has very, very beautiful shimmer, so you can apply it just directly on extension and your pink extension and the top coat, and you don't need anything else. It comes in 6 colors, but for now I'm putting Epic no wipe top coat, which everyone loves. It stays very high gloss for a long time, and it doesn't catch haldi stains, so you can safely eat your food with hands and then just wash it, and no stains comes. This formula was especially designed for India because Blue Sky is in 67 countries in the world, and for 15 years in the global market. And when we said, no, we want top coat for India which don't catch haldi, and they're like, why? We said, we need it, that's it, don't ask. So this top coat was actually designed by Blue Sky for India, and it's really good. We have a very good feedback for it. Okay, so now we have this next nail, which again, how fast was it? And how easy, isn't it? So I think it's changing entire extension course and thinking of extensions being something really difficult completely, right? So now we will have overlay with fast and easy builder gel and some fun art in build. Of course, you can make it just a plain, simple. It comes in 12 shades. But we will do a milky white with some fun new colors, matching pink, and then we can do it in our booth for you, okay? So first we will apply base coat on the clean nail prepped nail. Very nice thin layer, normal base coat, not rich filler base. Keep it inside. And I will work with Biap and with just a brush, nail art brush, to help me to make apex on the natural nails. But BIAP also can be used, fast and easy builder gel can be used on the extensions, on the short extensions. You can use it with the paper form, or you can use with normal extension tips on top of it. That is also how salons doing it. Now we will premix some pink glitter gel. It's very nice chunky glitter to make it more fun. And we will use it for in-build. First layer, I will just take with my ombre brush whatever I want to. This is gel polish, so we put it directly on the base coat. And I want to put it in build next to the cuticle area. So with ombre brush, I will keep it around the cuticle area and clean my brush, clean it, and then just spread it down a little bit. Now cure it just for 10 seconds that it doesn't go under the cuticle area. Okay. Now with BIAP, I will use very thin layer of builder gel just to make a wet floor. And we will not cover a gel, we will just spread it a little bit. We will not put our BIAP here. And next, on the wet floor, I'm taking one drop. How big is the drop depends how big nail is. If it's a pinky nail, if it's a short or long nail, right? So we keep a drop here. A customer here don't need much apex because she already had very, very nice apex on her natural nails. I will be just working with the gel, spreading it in round movements down to the free edge. And we are working like with the gel, and it's very nice consistency. It doesn't move anywhere. If you want to work without any inbuilt, you can just use it directly and in any color. So it's like a color and the gel 2 in 1. Now we keep it upside down. And I will see where I need to move for the apex purpose. And now we'll spread it around the cuticle area and the free edge where I want to cover it. And again, we just keep it down, and I'm checking where is my apex, that it's proper, and let it sink a little bit. It's a self-leveling product. If you work in this technique well and self-level and help with the nail art brush to work on it, you don't need to file it afterwards. It's like a no filing technique. However, if you feel it's still bumpy and you want to file a little bit, just remove the sticky layer and file. Because it's actually extension product, you can file it. Is it having burning sensation? No, nothing. No burning sensation, yes. So this product have no burning sensation. It's a new latest formula in Blue Sky. So now you can remove with the same cleanser wipe sticky layer. Just check if you need to buff something, you can, but then you use only buffer. It's not required file because the product, like in this technique, is no filing technique. So you work on the apex, you make sure that it's properly done and then just put top coat. But in case you need some bump to remove, this file is enough. 100 by 180, side 100 is enough. So I don't think we need to file anything, and I will just put top coat. Top coat. Blue Sky top coat is also self-leveling top coat, and if you have some if on the finishing line you want to add some apex, you still can do it with Blue Sky top coat. Perfect. We cure the top coat and it's done. How easy was this overlay with the bottle, isn't it? So I would say that the most important part in your nail work is nail prep, how you prepare a cuticle area, how you file the nail, how you see that each and every nail is actually same length, right? So sometimes clients come to us and say, save this nail, one nail, my natural nail is this, so save that, and then rest you can make short. No, you are the artist, you must say, it doesn't look nice. Either let's do extensions, and we have amazing products for it, and you can upsell in your bill, or let's cut it all shorter and make it all look nice, because then your work will look good. Then a client will also like it in the end, but they just think, let's save one nail, and it happens. Okay, so now it's not sticky, and I will just see and file the edge a little bit with a file. An overlay is done. Actually, this overlay, I don't know if you can see it closer. This overlay is very good for natural nail, also a builder in the bottle to the customer, because they natural nail will not break. And it's always good to also upsell overlays. If client comes to you and say, I have brittle nails, I have problem, my gel polish don't stay, that's your customer for BIAB, for Russian manicure and for BIAB. Yeah? Thank you so much to the model. And we'll see you in the booth so we can make all nails like that, right? And let's put this cuticle oil. We have this new shimmering cuticle oil. It gives beautiful gold shimmer. And since we are filing and touching the cuticle area, and if you're working with the drill bits, it's always good to apply cuticle oil in the end. But one tip, life hack, girls, when you're clicking picture, remove cuticle oil from nails. Take the tissue, clean the nails, and then click a picture, because the worst what you can see on Instagram is oily nails, right? We have to do it. Or you click a photo and then put the oil. Or we can clean our nails and then click a nice photo. Thank you everybody for joining me. Thank you. And do come join our seminar tomorrow, 11 to 2 o'clock, Blue Sky Nail Academy, Jubilee Hills. It's a 2-hour open door seminar. Thank you. Yes, yes. We do not push it under the cuticle, but we are using like a hairline around it, and then we stick it. So hairline means if you need to file the the tip, this part of the file, the rib, have to have space to stand between tip and the cuticle.
We file the edges of the nail corner. We blend the nail, the tip with the nail.
Yeah, it's so thin that you don't need to blend. It's not like that normal tip. It's so thin that you're actually just removing shine from it. That's all. You don't need to blend. Overall. So when we are shining it around the cuticle area, we are pulling the cuticle and just going around, around, fully shine removing. There is no such thing as blending in soft gel tips because it's like a thin silicone thing.
So if we apply polish, it will be even.
Yes.
We will apply only on the tip.
Yes, it's all tip. So can you come? You see, you did not see me filing, but then it's all tip. It comes this close and it's all tip. You cannot see it. So just remove the shine from it. And on natural nail is the same, right? You cannot see the difference. And it's very light, isn't it?
When
Yeah.
this tip grows, there will be gap in tip and nail, right?
Gel polish growing.
Gel polish, there won't be gap.
So when soft gel tip growing, it will be the same effect as it's a gel polish growing, and you can actually remove it with the gel polish removal ropes. So you can actually rub it with the how you remove gel polish. Same, you remove the tips, right? Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'll see you in the booth. Thank you, everyone.